Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves working or studying comfortably from home, then you have to check this out. The Home Office Double-Layer Foldable Laptop Desk. This sleek and modern standing table is not just stylish, it's super practical. It's height adjustable, foldable, and even rolling so you can easily move it around your house, from your bedside to your living room, or even your balcony workspace. Made with high-quality wooden boards and a sturdy frame, it gives you a stable surface whether you're typing, reading, or having your morning coffee. And the best part? When you're done, you can just fold it up and tuck it away, saving tons of space in your apartment or dorm. It's perfect for students, remote workers, or anyone who wants a clean, flexible setup without spending a fortune. Price right now, just $24.99. And you can grab yours by clicking the link in the description below. So if you're ready to upgrade your home office or study setup, this could be exactly what you've been looking for. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cool product finds and home tech reviews every week.